Python Kombu consumer not notified of rabbit message. Queue.get does work. If I run the following code, the callback test passed to the consumer is never triggered. However, if I keep an eye on the rabbit GUI, I do see that the message is retrieved, but not acknowledged. So it seems the consumer is getting the message, but not passing it on to my callback. If I set no_act to true, the message just disappears from the queue, again without calling the callback. However, the following code does work properly. I can successfully get and acknowledge the message. But the whole point was to stay asynchronous. So something must be wrong with my callback.
Turns out it's a simple error. Adding to the while loop causes messages to arrive.